Hi! In order to be a good dog walker, you have to stay fit. We will try to show you a few really good exercises that you can do with your dog.
So we're going to start with arm exercises, and the first one will be a dog lift. So get yourself in a squat position, grab a dog, and do it with either one hand or two, and lift. Don't forget to swap arms if you need to. The next exercise will work on your core and is called a dog-weighted oblique bend. So get into a squat position again and bend sideways, engaging your abs. Good boy. Feel that?
Emil, I can feel that, I can hear that. I can even smell it.
Good boy. Thank you very much. We're going to get into the push-up. Would you like to demonstrate that?
Sure. Excuse me.
We'll have to
Bailey, Bailey,
somewhere
Bailey,
else.
Bailey, go, 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 go. Go.
Get into a push-up position, and I will just put an extra weight right here. We'll get this excited one. Are you ready?
I've got something underneath me, so it's going to be slightly more difficult.
Give it a try. And go. Shasha, it's okay. It's okay. Good gear.
It's good that Emil is helping me by holding my hand.
Shasha's not very keen to exercise. Let's try nothing. He's a bit heavier. There we go.
Feet.
What a position! I don't even need to help. Good boy. He knows what he's doing. Good boy. Next one for our core is a dog exchange. So we'll both get on our backs in front of each other, if we have any space. Hello.
Ollie, Ollie.
We will interlink our feet together and do a sit-up, passing over a dog. Right.
Whoa, I don't think it's going to happen with Bailey between
Any
us.
volunteers? Any
Bailey,
volunteers?
move.
Nala.
Move.
Nala.
Go,
Come here,
go,
Nala.
go, go, come.
Nala. Good gear. Right. Sorry, this dog's
Ready.
over and under.
I'm ready.
Right.
Let's
Go.
Let's do it.
Good boy. Good boy.
She's licking me. Bailey.
Suddenly, there's many volunteers for this exercise.
Georgie, no. Let's swap it for Georgie. Shall we try? Shall we try Georgie? We
Okay.
haven't used it.
Come here.
Emil.
Sweet. Come here.
There's a lot of humping and licking happening here. Bailey. Alright, let's try. Come on, Georgie. Bailey.
Good gear.
I like how Georgie didn't see it coming when she was trying to bite at the dog.
Right.
Come on!
Hey.
So this is not humping you yet.
Actually, I am not going to get away from abs anytime soon because we're going to do some leg lifts. So let's get on the floor. Right. So just straight back on the floor, straight leg lifts, trying to keep your back on the floor. And go.
Well, I have it easier because I've done that.
Hello, Jack. Hi. Good boy. Oh.
Georgie.
Hi, Evan.
Hello. I have plenty on slow.
Fine with you.
I think that's enough.
We're going to now get into legs. So grab yourself a jog, maybe a little bit heavier because we're going to do some squats. So you do need a little bit of extra weight.
Come on, Coffee.
Hi. Oh, you're so keen. You're so cute. Yes, good
boy. Let's do it.
Keep them quite low. Make sure they're comfortable. Get yourself into a squat position. And just go down. Up. Down. And up. And down. And up. You okay there, Leo?
Wait, I don't think coffee is too comfortable. Let me go hard. Can I cheat? Can I cheat a little bit? Yes, on slow. Do squats, do squats. Look at us exercising.
Is it for you or for the dog?
It's for both of us. On slow is working, you know?
The last one is a dog weighted ball tuck. So you showed us the press ups, I'll show us this one. We will need a big ball for this. And a little bit of space. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Come close. Make some space.
So if you can help me, just put a dog on my back with some extra weight. Hopefully not him.
Well, that's what I was going to go for.
I will need that for today. I will need it. There we go.
Let's try. Let's try a slightly bigger one. Emil. Emil. There you go.
Are we good?
I'm holding it. Emil.
And tuck your knees in. If you can.
Good girl. Good girl. Yes, good. I'm talking to both of you, by the way.
Thank you. Hi.
That looked fun.
It was. Also very hairy and slobbery.
But this is the dog gym. That's what we do like in the dog gym.
It is indeed. Right, let's cool down by doing some meditation. Get yourself into the comfortable position.
Emil. Hopefully try to move some dogs around just so we have some space.
Listen to the soothing sounds of them playing.
Just imagine the waves, imagine the ocean. Nah, it doesn't work. Georgie, Georgie. Lucky for you, you won't have 15 dogs at home, so I'm guessing.
Milo, come here.
Milo. Biff. Let's try this. Grab a dog and try to relax.
If you can. On slow. On slow.
The amazing thing is how dogs sense what you are feeling at the moment. So if you're going to be relaxed, they will eventually come down. If you're going to be stressed, they will be stressed. This is always the issue with dog training, that they feed off your emotions. So that's why it's very important to be able to feel whatever you need to.
On slow. On slow.
Okay.
I didn't relax.
You didn't relax at all. Hold on, let's try next time. Leo.
There we go. Thank you for joining us today. If you liked our video, don't forget to like it. And of course, subscribe to our channel to see more doggy videos.
If you have any crazy ideas with this lot, make sure you put some comments below. Let us know, are there any videos that you would like us to make? Is there anything that you have in mind? And use our dogs.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye bye.